Have you ever wondered how to animate a before and after comparison using color grading or filters on your videos? Well, it's pretty simple with Filma, and I'm here to show you how. First, make sure you have your video clip ready in Filma with some adjustments already applied. You can check these in the Layers drawer. Got it? Great. Now, let's dive into the magic part. We're going to use the Adjustment Mask feature. Just tap on it, and we'll create a square mask. To do this, place 4 points on the canvas, forming a rectangle. Next, we need to animate this mask. Start by moving the rectangle off the image. Then, drag the keyframes bar to the end of your clip's duration. Now carefully drag the 2 rightmost points of the rectangle to the right side of your frame. This action will create a keyframe at the end with the new position. Filma is smart and will interpolate between the initial and final positions of the mask, creating a smooth animation that reveals your adjustments. But wait, there's more. If you have additional adjustments, simply tap on their Adjustment Mask option. Then select the mask you've just created. Apply this to all your properties, and voila, your mask is all set. Here's a bonus tip. For a softer, more blended transition, go to any of the properties, open the mask, and tweak the feather option. When you save, just tap on Modify Current Mask, and all your properties will update, showing a smoother transition. And that's it. You're now ready to add some dynamic flair to your videos with Filma. Have fun editing, and I'll see you in the next video.